It's already
Floating.
included in the package here. We will float in the water
While eating.
so that
The
will
food
be
is also
in
floating.
the Lubbock River Cruise. We're in, I think that's for an hour and a half. And you will be eating on a floating restaurant along the river. And then
Along the river or along the river?
Anonas River.
Ananas
And
River.
River. And then let me remember. And then we'll also go to the man-made forest. We're in
How big?
a long time ago. The President of the United States of Philippines. The President, I don't know who the President is or if it's the President or just the Mayor or whoever. They planted all the mahogany trees.
I
don't
think it's
know as well
Romulo.
if it's mahogany.
It's mahogany.
Mahogany. As long as there are trees and they are tall trees. There's the
Wrong, it's
mahogany.
maho.
Super a lot
Sorry,
of trees.
it
So
should
it's
be
called the
maho.
man-made Bilar.
Mangrove.
I think it's
So
Bilar.
paano hectare to? Hindi naman hectare.
Parang there's like a spot na parang ganyan. Oh, I think we'll also go to the hanging bridge wherein you will cross the hanging bridge and you remember the buko man who,
Bukuma.
yeah, who yung tanggal-tanggal the buko with his
Yeah, in
he
Itbulaga?
shows there, yeah. The last time I went there, he was there, so he just can take pictures in the So that's included
Live
in
in
your
live.
package. And the highlight of your tour package, sir, is the Chocolate Hill. That's in Carmen,
We're
Bohol.
allowed to eat.
Oh my God, I feel like a lolokal. I know all the destinations. Sorry.
That's it, yung 8 hours, di ba? Kapag nag-extend ka, meron per hour magkano yan? Yung sabi niya parang 350 per hour. Ikaw yung nag-advise sa amin yung tour para 8 hours. Pero kung nag-exceed, meron 350 per hour.
Babe, yung bag
So
na
tayo apat lang sa tour na yun, yung iba?
sa car.
Tayo apat lang.
Where's the gray
Hindi
band?
siya grupong malaki na